Did you know that about 90% of new authors quit after just publishing one book? They spend months writing only to give up when sales don't take off. In this video, I'll explain why so many new authors quit, and more importantly, how you can avoid their mistakes and put yourself in the 10% who actually succeed. If that sounds good, let's dive in. Part 1, the harsh reality. Most people just don't realize how crowded the book marketplace really is. Millions of books are uploaded to Amazon every year. When new authors hit publish and expect instant sales, they're crushed by the silence. The reality is, publishing is a marathon, not a sprint. And the ones who succeed are the ones who go in prepared for the long game. So reason number 1, unrealistic expectations. One of the biggest reasons authors quit is because they expect overnight success. They think, I'll just upload my book and it'll sell thousands of copies. But the truth is, success takes consistent effort. Your first book might only sell a handful of copies. That's normal. It's not failure. That's your foundation. Authors who survive realize their first book is about learning, not retiring. Which brings me to reason number 2, a lack of marketing knowledge. The second reason, they have no marketing plan. Most authors focus all of their energy on writing, and sadly, almost none on getting readers. But without visibility, your book just sits on a digital shelf. Successful authors learn how to market using keywords, categories, reader communities, and email lists. They don't just write, they sell. Reason number 3, burnout from doing too much. The third reason new authors quit is burnout. They push themselves to publish too many books too quickly, often sacrificing quality. Instead of building momentum, they end up exhausted and frustrated. The solution isn't more books, it's better books, paired with smart marketing and long-term systems that make the process sustainable. And finally, reason number 4, they have no long-term vision. Another big reason that authors quit is because they treat it like a one-time project instead of a career path. Think about it. One book is like opening one door, but a catalog of books creates multiple doors for readers to find you. The authors who win long-term think in terms of catalog, bundles, translations, audiobooks, even a series. They're building an asset that grows over time. So finally, how to be in the top 10%. So how do you make sure you're in the 10% who win? Number 1, start with realistic expectations. Success takes time. Number 2, learn the basics of marketing, keyword research, categories, writing compelling descriptions. Number 3, focus on quality over quantity to avoid burnout. And finally, number 4, commit to the long-term vision. Every book is another brick in your publishing empire. If you do those 4 things, you'll outlast 90% of publishers and new authors who quit too soon. The truth is, publishing is simple, but it's not easy. Most authors give up right before the results start to kick in. If you want to join the 10% who succeed, it's about strategy, persistence, and having the right system in place for you. And that's exactly what I cover in my full publishing course, where I walk you through every step, from writing to marketing to publishing to building a long-term catalog. The link is below if you're ready to stop guessing and start winning. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.